We have now been making our trek around World Showcase because we are making it back for our Soarin fast pass, which is good right now. And so we were all like, okay, like no stopping, no looking at the other topiaries and stuff. We kind of could see like Miss Piggy and Kermit and Beauty and the Beast back in France. So I'm excited to go and like take all those in another day, especially like during the daytime when we can see all the things. Oh, look, look, look. Here's Peter Pan and Captain Hook. Uh-oh, I'm doing the thing that we were supposed to do. We're not supposed to stop. We have a fast pass to catch. Oh, and up here's all the Winnie the Pooh characters. So cute. Oh, this is so pretty with the lights on and all these pretty yellow and orange flowers out front. I like this. This is that honeybee show, which was my favorite booth last year. I loved that flatbread from here, and the mascarpone cheesecake with the honey was so good. So that's another thing that I'm excited to get again at some point this week because it was absolutely delicious.
A lot left to try.
Yes.
Just a little sampling.
I know, tonight was like kind of the preview of everything that there was around because it was just kind of like a quick little lap. We made it around the entire World Showcase.
We did.
So yeah, we saw a lot. But yeah, during the daytime, we're gonna have like a full, proper flower and garden day and like actually like stop and look at each topiary and take it all in. But it was so cool to see everything.
My favorite.
Yes, with all the
floating
carpeting
flowers.
and the floating flowers. Look, and all this. Oh, hear that Epcot music. I love how it transitions into that future world music right around here. So pretty. There's an Epcot bunny over there. So cute. We made it to the land. It is now soaring time. I know that this is one of Mum and Pop-Up's absolute favorite rides. They always talk about this one, so they're really excited for this. So that's very special that we all now get to go ahead and do Soarin. We got so lucky. We got row 1, which is the best in Soarin because you don't have anybody's feet like above you or anything, and it's just like you get that perfect view of the screen. So it was one of those things we were like, do we ask for it? Do we request it? But we were like, we're just gonna go for it because you know sometimes like they're usually able to accommodate it, but it's kind of difficult for them sometimes. So we were like, we're just gonna like luck of the draw, whatever we get, and we got row 1. That was a magical moment.
When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right.
We are ready for takeoff. behalf of our entire flight crew,
Yay.
thanks for soaring with us.
To unfasten.
Did you enjoy it, Mama and Papa? Did you enjoy it? It's one of your favorites, isn't it?
My favorites, I love it.
Oh.
Every time, as many times as I've been on it, I still enjoy it like the first time.
Aww. Soarin was amazing as always. Now we are going to go out. We wanted to try to see IllumiNations tonight, but it's like 9 o'clock right now, so the show's already begun. So I think we're gonna save that for another night this week and get like a proper spot for it, because you know that one's gone away too. So gotta like soak it all in before all these changes happen here in Epcot. So that will definitely happen at some point very soon. But right now we are actually gonna go. I wanted to go in mouse ears because I really want to get for my mom. Today is actually Mother's Day, and they just came out with this new Alex and Annie mom bracelet. It's like the Minnie Mouse ears and it says mom. It is super adorable, and I tried to get it online on the Shop Disney Parks app, and it said it was an in-store purchase only, and they actually, there was one that was an in-store purchase only. I think the Angle Possible one. I don't even know if I saw the mom one on there, so I want to go in mouse gears and hopefully they will have it. So we're gonna go do a little shopping now. I just saw fireworks through there. I've never actually been back here, I don't think, during IllumiNations, like back in this particular part of Epcot to see the fireworks from afar like this. I've definitely been like walking out of the park in the main part over there, but never like this side angle. Oh, you can hear the music. I love this song. I hope this song never goes away. I have a feeling it's going to though. Thank you. We now have to cross the stream of people to get to Mouse Gear. It's okay, yeah, it's not too bad. Look, there's some pockets. We can do this. It's always hard after fireworks dump. Yeah, Frogger. That is totally what it's like. We can do this. Look at the fountain. I love IllumiNations. Oh, love it. Mouse Gear.
Oh, there we are.
We're just going to the jewelry section.
Here they are, the Alex and Annie's. Look, this is the new version of the castle. That it's like a cutout castle. Super cute. This is the new one, the tiki room one. Oh, and I really want the pink one. I kind of like, that's cool. It kind of has like a contrast to it with the blue, but I do want to see the pink one in person because I kind of love that one. Oh, this is the one that the girls I work with got, and I love it. I might have to get this one next too. Because it looks like Mickey, right? It's Mickey, but actually from upside down, it's also Cinderella's carousel. They said the girl told them that when they checked out with it, and it like blew my mind when they then told me, and I'm like, I really need this now. Let's see, what else do we have? So Mouse Gears did not have what we were looking for. They did not have the mom Outton in stock, and we also were looking for the annual pass holder one in pink, and they only had it in blue. So we have a whole week though ahead of us to find the merchandise that we're looking for. So yeah, now the park has closed, so it's time to make our way out of Epcot. We're gonna join the stream of people. Look at that fountain over there. That's the other thing, that in some of the newer Epcot renovation concept art, that's not there anymore, the IllumiNations, which has me really, really worried because like I'm on board with everything else Epcot renovation. It all looks amazing. It looks like it's going to be very futuristic, which will just be amazing to have around here because this is the park of innovations and everything. So you want to bring in that new feeling to it, but I love IllumiNations, so that I will greatly miss. So I will need to have time this trip as well to just like look at that. Right, that change I don't think is going to happen for a while, at least like in the foreseeable future, but need to just always, now every time we pass it, I like need to appreciate IllumiNations. Oh, and look at these, the twinkle lights. Always love these too.
I've been looking every time I count money, and I haven't seen that with coupons. Like, he still needs, what was it, 2018? What was that?
It will also eliminate the 99 cents that each of us keeps getting charged.
Yes, my mom just said it will look so much better once these Leave a Legacy things are gone. It's just gonna open this up so much more. It's a little bit rainy, as you can see, so we are going to go to the Orlando Premium Outlets. This entire store is just nothing but just the discounted things that come from Disney, because Disney swaps out their inventory so often. You can get some really great deals in here, like shirts that are usually $30, you can get them for $5. Are you serious, Mom? $4.99. I need to get those too. This is $7.99. Oh, here's the Banshee that you could get at Animal Kingdom, which is only $29.99 when it was originally in the parks $84.99, $25.99, and it is now, as you can see, $4.99.